Good morning, I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. This morning, a few early morning showers will be possible here. A warm front essentially is a little bit farther south than what was originally expected, so we do have some showers that's moving southeast. So we could see a few areas of rain through the early morning hours, and then otherwise the rest of the day still looks dry. Will be partly cloudy, at times will be mostly sunny, partly sunny, so we'll just call it partly cloudy today. But 90 degrees for the high temperatures, so the heat and humidity build this afternoon, and it's just going to be a hotter day than it's been recently for us today. 72 degrees then tonight, higher humidity, so it's a little bit warmer for us, and essentially a cold front's going to slowly move closer to us from the north throughout this weekend. So still hot and humid Saturday and Sunday, but as this frontal boundary moves a little farther south, we'll have a chance of a few showers and thunderstorms developing late in the day Saturday. So Saturday evening and Saturday night could be a few showers, and then Sunday this cold front essentially becomes stationary and it just kind of stalls across southern Michigan. So as that happens, we'll still have a chance of a few showers Sunday. And then Monday, another storm system will actually be moving in. We'll push that one out, and we'll have a chance of some rain likely by Monday. But temperatures this weekend, it's going to be hot and humid around the lower 90s all the way through the weekend, 90 degrees for the high Monday. And behind Monday's cold front, though, it's going to be cooler Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.